are at $1,100, $1,172. I can do 172 on my next trade. Yes, so I've done 172 for the next trade. I'm hoping that price goes back to the top. Yeah, I'm hoping that price rallies back to the top and it gets to this resistance level. If it gets there, we will have made profits. So we can still look at the next trade. We can do $132. $32. When there is an opportunity, you maximize on that opportunity. You trade as many times as possible and make profit. So we do 139 for our next trade. 139. Okay, we've locked that in $139. So we just hope that price will go to the top where it needs to be. Yes. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Joonthemall, and on today's video I want to show you guys how to trade on Quotex. I'll be giving signals throughout these tutorials, so if you want to trade, make sure that you follow along to learn what you should do to trade profitably in Quotex. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and create your account with that link. So these are some of the assets that I've already chosen that I want to trade. We have the NZD card, we have the AUD USD, we have USD BTDT, and all these are OTC pairs, which means that you can trade them anytime, any day of the week, and get profitability of up to 95%. So if you look at some of these assets already, we have assets that have a profitability of 93%, 92, and so on and so forth. So I'll just delete the ones that have lower profitability. For example, this one has 63%. We don't want to risk $1 to get $0.6. So I'll just delete that and maintain the ones that have a profitability of 80% and above. So the asset that I was trading on earlier on is the AUD USD OTC pair, and if you can look at the results, it has been great. This is the asset that I was trading earlier on, and these are the results that we got from it. So we will continue trading that pair as I see a lot of potential with it. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just form our strategy here, and I use price action mostly, so I'll just go ahead and use trend line. Okay, I will add the trend line to the chart, then clone it and add it to the top, clone and add it to the top to form our channel. So if you look at this structure that you formed right here, it is an uptrend. If you look at how each of the trend lines that we have formed are slanted, then you can see that it is an uptrend, and in between that uptrend we have price moving in between the channels, which are the support level and the resistance levels. It has hit the resistance level twice. We are at the support level and anything would still happen. So we can also look at this on a larger time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame. We can go to a 30 minutes time frame and see what happens. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that the market is ranging. It's moving in between these channels. So let me just form let me just get a triangle, a rectangle, so that I can show you what I mean. So this is a channel where price has been stuck in for some time now. This is a 30 minutes time frame, and you can see that price has been moving from the top, bottom, top. It's going to the bottom, and probably it will go back to the top. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we see that there is still potential of price breaking this support level that we created with our trend line and going to the major support that we have on the rectangle. So we'll go back to the 1 minute time frame. We go back to the 1 minute time frame and we can see there is a breakout here. Price has broken out of these support level, and now it is a new resistance level and it's rallying downwards. So again, I like trading with the trend. So if the trend shows me that there is a potential of price going down more, then I'll go down with it. Okay, if you look at what's happening on the chart right now, let me delete the rectangle. You look at what's happening on the chart right now. Buyers are pushing the market back up, but there is that indecision, so I'll go with a downtrend, as that is what would still happen in the long run. Okay, so I've placed a trade of $132 downwards. Okay, because I'm hoping that price will continue going downwards to hit our major support level that we have on the 30 minutes time frame. Left, and there is still indecision. Buyers are pushing the price back up, sellers are pushing it down, and I'm getting nervous, and I hope that in due time we are going to win this. A few seconds left to 0-1. Oh, that was a last minute loss. So we've just lost $132 on that. And we will wait and see what price does, because again, this could be a fake out or a breakout. So we'll wait and see what price does. If it goes back inside our channel, then we'll begin our new trend upwards. If it breaks, if it hits the new resistance level and goes back down, we can ascertain that price has really broken back into the resistance level and made it our new support level. So until then, let's not trade. So the next trade we'll place, I'll do $200. Again, I started trading with this account when it had $400. Right now we have $900. So that is why I'm not afraid of staking $200 on the next trade. Okay. If you have a small account, use different risk management strategies so that you don't end up blowing your account. So again, you can see that the next candlestick is bullish. So let's wait. Let's give it a few more seconds and see what happens to price. It turned out to be bearish anyway. So this could just be a correction in price, but the general trend could continue being downward. So again, I'll go down on that for another 1 minute with $200 and see what happens with that. So in case we win this, we will recover. We will get $386. That means that we'll go above $1,000, which is what we had when I started doing. is ranging, and when the price ranges, what do? We trade on the support and resistance levels. This is our support level, this is our resistance level. So we are expecting that price will go down further to hit the support level, and that is what I'm banking on, and that is why I'm trading with the trend, the downtrend, even on the smaller time frame. So let's go back to the 1 minute time frame again. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and look at what is happening. That is just a simple correction. We will see price going downwards even further. So let's wait. So in short, I'll just be trading in between this rectangle here until we get to the bottom of it here. So when it gets there, I'll stop trading downwards. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for more. Guys are retesting this as a new resistance level, so let's wait for the formation of this new candle before we trade, because otherwise we can place a trade and it ends up being that price needed to have gone above that new resistance level, and the candlestick just closed prematurely. So let's wait again and see what happens in the next 23 seconds. Now this is what I was talking about. Yeah. Let's wait and see what happens in the next 12 seconds. If this swing high is broken and this is also broken, then we can conclude that price has reversed and the market is going back upwards. Now we have seen a break of this new swing, this earlier swing high. It has already been broken here, so let's wait to see if this candles closes upwards, then we can continue trading upwards. Again, if you look at price, whatever is forming down here, we have a double bottom. Yeah, there are a lot of things that I'm mentioning here, a lot of things that I'm mentioning. Don't get confused. So okay, so now I'll go $200 up, again $200 up. Okay, so this is our double bottom, this and this is our double bottom. Okay, so the double bottom simply shows that price is reversing. I didn't see that earlier. If I had seen it, then I would have traded upwards early enough. Okay, so let's wait and see what happens in the next 25 seconds. So I've placed two trades, each for $200, hoping that price grows. So we've just won that one, and now we can open the next trade for $72 above that, and we are at $1,100. $1,172. I can do 172 on my next trade. Yes, so I've done 172 for the next trade. I'm hoping that price goes back to the top. Yeah, I'm hoping that price rallies back to the top and it gets to this resistance level. If it gets there, we will have made profits. So we can still look at the next trade. We can do $132. $32. When there is an opportunity, you maximize on that opportunity. You trade as many times as possible and make profit. So we do 139 for our next trade. 139. Okay, we've locked that in $139. So we just hope that price will go to the top where it needs to be. Yes. So if that closes, we'll take a break. We'll take a break for this video. We'll end it there because again, we don't know what price will do next. But again, just like we started with this one, we can just follow price and see what happens. For example, now we're seeing a hammer that is being created here. Shows that sellers are pushing price back down. If they manage to push it down further, then you know how the saying goes: when it is high, sell; when it is low, buy. So we will begin selling again when we get to this point here. We have 5 seconds left until our trade closes to 0-1, and we just made profits. So from $400 we've gone to $1,600, and that is how easy and difficult it is to trade in Quotex. If you are new to Quotex, follow my videos, follow my channel so that you can learn how you can trade profitably with Quotex. If you don't have an account, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and create your account with it. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo. See you on the next video.